Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a beautiful 2004 Harley Davidson Softail Deuce CVO. The Screaming Eagle's got the 1550cc motor in it. That would be 95 inches. That was before the 96-inch motor came out. The regular bikes had the twin cam 88 in that year, but this is the Screaming Eagle 95-inch. It's been upgraded with, it looks like a D&D 2-into-1 header. The bike is in excellent condition. Chrome yellow pearl, and I'm not real sure what the silver color is called, but this bike has really been well taken care of. You look down there at the shocks underneath it, all the fittings, all the screw heads, bolts, nuts, everything is just in real nice shape. Got the air dam under here, chrome voltage regulator, chrome front end, beautiful rims. It's got a good tire on the front. The paint on this bike is just amazing. Chrome levers, all this up here is chrome, the switch housings, hydraulic clutch, got the tack mounted up there on the handlebar clamp. It's still got the little sticker on the side of the dash here that tells about the handcrafted graphics on there. Forward mount foot controls. We put you a battery tender on it. Just excellent. Got a good tire on the rear as well. The bike has got 8,020 miles on it, so it spent most of its life in the garage, I would think. I'm trying to see the neutral lights on. Good, strong running bike. It's a fuel injected bike. Comes with a color matched frame, the color matched oil tank. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.